Parang walang ganito sa Pilipinas, no? Nitro? Hindi ko alam kung it's tiny insects or just a rash. Hindi ko alam. Alright guys, this is the cream. Buksan na natin ito. Hey, everybody. Oh, here we go.
Your arm.
Ayan, we'll...
Neck. Under the neck.
It's better, isn't it? Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Spangton Vlogs ng Pabibo at...
Baby.
Yeah! That's right! You said it! Pabibe! Yes!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
So ngayong araw doon sa fam, may sakit si Nitro. Hey, see? Oh yes, may mga kulangot tumutulog sa inyo. Tsaka ano, may mga, ano, nakita niyo yan? Nitro, you show them. Your arm has bites on it. Hey, no. Hey, give Daddy a hand. Look. See? Oh, yeah, what's that, huh? Why have you got all them bites all over you? Sa likod niya din, may mga... What is that? No? Parang, akala namin, bed bugs. Pero hindi siya bed bugs. Kasi, yung nanay ko, ganyan din siya. May mga insect bites na parang ganon. Yes, yung mami. Mami's naglilinis. So, hindi siya bed bugs. Di namin alam kung ano siya. Baka dust mites or baka reaction sa vaccine. Tapos, pumapasok yung spike proteins kay Nitro sa pamamagitan ng gatas ng mami niya. Diba? Baka nahawa ka through the gatas, baby Nitro, no? Whatever it is. So, tinawagan ko yung doctor namin. Sabi niya na ano siya. It is, hindi niya alam. Kaya, he's giving us cream na lang to put on these bites.
This beautiful life.
Parang walang ganito sa Pilipinas, no? Nitro? You want mommy? Naglilinis si mommy. Walang ganito sa Pilipinas.
Mommy.
Grabe yung mga infestation dito sa Australia. Hindi ko alam kung it's tiny insects or just a rash. Hindi ko alam. Pero kaming tatlo ni Shanta, may ganyan kami sa mga katawan namin. Makati. Sobrang makati. Ako, meron ako sa sa puwet ko din. So lahat kami infected with whatever this is. Pati yung nanay ko. Okay, it's okay. You wanna go out the door? Yeah, kaming lahat infected. Kaya we're gonna use that cream para mawala sana. So, see? Nangangati si Nitro. Makating Yes, it's makating. Pinaligoan siya ng pine tar salt. Pero walang effect eh. It's still itchy pa rin, no?
Mommy.
You okay, buddy?
Mommy.
I'm gonna go see Mommy's cleaning.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Singing, oh my singing.
You singing? He's singing the wanted song.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Alright guys, this is the cream. Buksan na natin ito. What is it? Anthroquarel. Uy, bakit ayun.
Can you get please? Get
Where's the monkey? Daddy's gonna put some cream on you. Hey, everybody. Oh. Here we go.
Your arm.
And we'll bust this open. Okay, so what's the directions? Remove cap, but push down was puncture seal. Yeah, directions apply strictly as directed by the physician.
Oh, it is open.
Yeah, I'd puncture it just now. Okay, buddy, here you go. Ready? You're gonna put that on that one there.
You might eat it.
Then eat it. Put it on there. Alright.
On his arm.
Here. Scratch that up.
Neck. Under the neck.
There, isn't it?
free.